Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga Goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no? So, today is a love reading for you, no, mga water signs. So, let's see anong meron sa love situation ng mga water signs right there, no? So, let's see. Let's check your situation right now, no? So, what are you feeling right now, mga water signs natin dyan? Tignan natin. Universe, please, Holy Spirit. So, meron lumabas agad. What is this? You have this strongly lonely, no? For some of you, no, water sign, malungkot kayo right now, no? So, ano to? Holding on way too tight, no? So, meron dito, no, mga water sign, no? Napakalungkot nyo right now, no? For some of you, no? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no? So, kung makikita mo rito, no? Sinasabi nga dito is holding on too tight, no? For some of you, mga, wait lang, no? So, sinasabi dito, no? You are holding on too tight, no? Mga water sign, no? Ayaw nyong bumitaw, no? Something like that. Kahit na malungkot na kayo, sobrang lungkot nyo na bigat na kayo sa sitwasyon, hirap na kayo sa sitwasyon na meron kayo, still, you are holding on too tight, no? Parang ayaw nyong pakawalan, ayaw nyong kumawala sa sitwasyon na meron kayo, even though na napakahirap na ito para sa inyo, no? Kung makikita mo rito, meron kang hawak na bakal dito, no? Something like that, no? So, di ba mabigat to? But then, tinitiis mo yung bigat, no? Ayaw mo siyang bitawan. You are holding on too tight with this, di ba? Ayaw mong umalis sa isang sitwasyon, no? So, tignan natin bakit, no? Mga water sign, let's see. So, ito kayo ngayon, no? You are holding on too tight in a situation wherein you are really struggling right now, no? Something like that, no? So, let's see what else, no? Regarding your situation right now, mga water signs natin. So, tignan pa natin anong meron, universe. So, you have this 9 of Pentacles in reverse, no? So, no, mga water signs, no? So, right now, no, pati financial, no, financial nyo ay nag-i-struggle din kayo, no? Meron kayong problema with your finances, no? Right? No? So, what else? So, you have this, the world, no? So, for some of you, no, mga water sign, meron kayong distance with this person you are dealing with, no? So again, no, vice versa tayo, no? So, pwedeng kayo ito or yung person na sinasabi natin dito, no? Magkapalit-palit, no? Something like that. So, kung saan lang kayong side nakaka-relate sa mga messages, right? No? So, meron dito ay may distance, no? Merong malayo kayo sa isa't isa, maybe LDR, no? For some of you water sign, baka isa sa inyo nasa ibang bansa, no? Something like that, no? So, or may distansya lang, no? Maybe, no? But then, nga, with the world, ay may distansya, no? For some of you. And what else? For the water signs, so, ano to? You have this 7 of Pentacles in reverse, no? So, no, meron talaga dito, you are struggling, no? Financially, no? May mga problem kayo financially. Maybe, kung sino man yung person na you are dealing with is wala kayong partnership, right? No? So, hindi kayo nagkakasundo rin, no? That's why nagka-clash even your finances, no? Hindi nagiging balance, no? Something like that. So, what else for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces? So, you have this 10 of Wands, no? So, meron dito, no, water sign, no? Hindi nyo magawa-gawa, puro plano, puro pagpaplano, no? Something like that. So, ito yung nakikita ko because you are lacking financially, no? Marami kayong plano sana ng iyong person, but then, you are lacking financially, no? For some of you, water sign, no? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no? So, what else for the water signs, please? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, the 2 cards. So, this one is hindi to reverse, no? So, you have this 8 of water sign, no? You are being, you are feel trapped, no? You are being trapped sa sitwasyon, no? So, parang right now, talaga, you are struggling, no? For some of you, no? So, parang feeling mo, nakakulong ka na lang sa sitwasyon na ito, no? And then, what else? Diba? You have this 7 of wands, no? So, i-clarify natin to. This 7 of wands. What is this 7 of wands, please? So, 2 of cups, no? So, yeah, ito yung so, just take what resonates again, no? So, partner mo to, no? 7 of wands with, no? This person is, I think, ay nag-i-spread pa ng kung ano-anong lies or I mean, chinichismis ka pa sa iba, no? Something ko dito, no? Sorry for the no? Yeah, water sign, no? This person, no? Pwedeng, ito yung person mo, no? Right? Yeah. Or, someone is, merong nanghihimasok, no? Himasok sa inyong relasyon. May nanggugulo, pwede ring ganon, no? Yeah, dalawang senaryo yung nakikita ko rito. Yung isa is yung person mo or ikaw ay talagang no, may ginagawa siya behind your back, no? Parang may pinagsasabi pa siya, no? Something like that, no? But then, ang the other one is, yun nga, no? May nanggugulo sa relasyon nyo ng person mo, no? Water sign. May mga nanggugulo, no? Or may yung relationship, no, sa inyong partnership, no, or for some of you, no, so tatlo pala to nakikita ko water sign. Yeah, meron ding isa dito, mag-o-offer sa'yo ng partnership, no, something like that, no, someone wants to offer a partnership, collaboration with you, no, water sign. So yeah, take what's resonate lang, no, for you, no. So yeah, for the water signs, please. So, you have this Page of Pentacles in reverse, no? So, yan, no? Meron talaga rito, no? May gustong mag-travel, no? So, may pagta-travel dito for some of you. But then, hindi matutuloy, no? May delays. Pwedeng ganon. May delays sa travel. And then, may delays din sa inyong financial, no? May mga siguro, may mga matutuloy, no? Something like that. Or may mga struggle talaga sa financial nyo, no? Maybe kung sa business is hindi tama, no? May hindi tamang nangyayari. May struggle talaga with the financial, no? For some of you. So, what else, please, for the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, dito tayo sa isang deck. So, yeah, tignan pa natin. Spirit, so dalawang card, no? So meron dito, no, the Emperor in reverse and 3 of Swords, no? So yeah, no, water signs with the Emperor in reverse, no? So very immature itong tao na ito, no, mga water signs, no? So, that's why sobra kang nasasaktan, no? So mature, no, something like that, no. Padalos-dalos ng desisyon itong tao na to. That's why ikaw ay nasasaktan, no? So, may mga nagawa siyang hindi tama, no? And then, ikaw ito na sobrang nasasaktan right now, no? Mga water sign. On too tight, no, with the situation, even though you are so much in pain, no? Something like that, no? So, what else for the water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, you have this 3 of wands, no? So, for some of you, no, water signs, no? So, nag-iisip-isip din kayo na umalis na, no, sa sitwasyon. There is this thinking na sana na parang nag-iisip kayo kung lalayo na ba kayo, alis na ba kayo sa sitwasyon na ito, no? Something like that, no? So, may pag-iisip na rin dito, no? On And for some of you naman, meron kayong hinihintay, no? Something like that. Maybe may hinihintay kayong umuwi, no? Something like that. Yeah, dalawang scenario yung nakikita sa inyo. Water sign, gusto nang umalis sa isang sitwasyon. And the other one is, meron kayong hinihintay from a far away, no? Something like that, no? Tawid dagat, no? Something like that, no? So, just again, take what's resonate, no? So, what else, please? Para sa ating mga So, you have this 8 of Pentacles, no? So, meron dito, no? So, for some of you, water sign, no? You have this, no? Opportunities na darating sa'yo, no? Inip, no? For some of you, water sign, there are doors opening sa'yo, no? Mga opportunities, offers, no? Something like that. But then, wag kang pag-aralan mong mabuti, no? Kung for some of you, baka nag-a-apply kayo ng work, no? May mga job interviews kayo or may mga contract signing na kayo, pag-aralan nyo munang mabuti. But then, this is a good para malibang-libang din kayo, no? Ituon nyo na lang yung sarili nyo because meron din kayong mga problem financially. So, ito ikaw, no, parang gusto mo matapos na din lahat, no, ang problema, no. So, kaya talagang naghahanap ka rin ng mga pagkakakitaan mo, no, water sign. So, what else para sa ating water signs? Please, universe, what else? So, you have this 4 of Wands, no. So, yan, no, in the near future, no, may celebration na mangyayari dito, May angel number din kayo, 1111, no, for some of you, water sign, no. So, this is angel number, no, 1111, no. So, for some of you, may event kayong dadaluhan. And for some of you, may kasalang mangyayari, no, something like that. In reverse, no. So, yan, no, with this King of Swords, no, let's clarify the King of Swords, please, universe. What's the King of Swords for the water signs, please? So, you have this King of Pentacles in reverse din, and what is this? So, ang dami, no? Lahat ng king nandito, water sign. So, you have this King of Cups, but then, all of the kings are in reverse, no? So, and then, 7 of Cups, no? So, wait lang, parang nako-confuse ako, water sign, no? Alam niyo, water sign, I strongly feel that ikaw ito na super struggle ka right now, no? I think you are holding on too tight sa isang sitwasyon. Wait lang, Yeah. May gusto kang puntahan na tao, no? Water sign. So, just take what's resonate, no? You are this King of Cups, no? You are all of these kings, no? Water sign, no? You are this King of Cups. You are this King of Pentacles. You are this King of Swords. But in reverse, no? And then you have this 7 of Cups, no? Kumbaga, water sign, meron kang gustong gawin, no? Meron kang gustong puntahan na tao. With the 7 of Cups, nag-iisip ka, you are being confused kung gagawin mo ba to. Something like that, no? Pero alam mo, nakikita ko dito, water sign, whoever that person on your mind is mahal na mahal mo siya, no? Something like that. At nasasaktan ka because alam mo yung parang nagiging so, yeah. Maybe I am talking to a masculine right now, no? Water sign, no? So, yeah, meron kang taong mahal na mahal mo, no? Water sign, but then, wala kang lakas na loob para puntahan siya. At sobra kang nasasaktan doon. Right? Kaya ikaw pala itong nagfo-focus sa iyong stability. But then you are thinking of that person, 'di ba? You want to offer this marriage, no? You want to propose to that person. Kaya lang hindi mo alam kung paano mo gagawin. Because that person is with someone else. With this Emperor in reverse, who is very manipulating person, no? So, maybe that's why ikaw itong gusto mong mag-offer ng partnership dun sa person na minamahal mo, no? But then, hindi mo siya magawa. Parang gusto mong iligtas tong tao na to dun sa person niya na nananakit sa kanya, no? Something like that, no? So, ikaw ito, no? You are these kings, no? King of Cups, King of Pentacles, King of Swords, no? But in reverse, no? So, may takot ka ritong gumawa ng action because that person is committed with this Emperor in reverse, who is a very controlling person, no? So, yan, no? Kaya ka nasasaktan dito, water sign, because wala kang magawa, no? Gusto mong puntahan tong tao na ito, but then hindi mo siya magawa because wala kang karapatan. Something like that, no? So, ito yung nakikita kong senaryo dito. Pangarap mo tong tao na to pangarap mong makasal, pangarap mong makasama habang buhay tong tao na ito, no? Water sign, no? But then, ikaw itong sobrang nasasaktan, no? Kaya, dito ka na lang muna nagfo-focus, no? Sa stability mo, no? So, para kasi sa'yo, ang nakikita ko kasi dito, that's why pala, no? Merong naghihintay dito, no? Maybe, yung person na iniisip mo rin na mahal mo ay hinihintay ka na dumating, no? Parang hinihintay ka ring iligtas mo siya, no? Something like that, no? So parang ganun yung nakikita ko dito na water sign. So hinihintay ka ng tao na to na iligtas mo siya dun sa person niya na sinasaktan siya, no? Something like that. But then ikaw to, wala ka pang lakas ng loob, no? Kaya nasasaktan ka kasi wala kang magawa sa ngayon, no? Something like that, no? Mahal mo yung tao, but then wala kang magawa, kaya sobra kang nasasaktan with this 3 of Swords, right? Ngayon, ang iniisip mo ay ang stability mo, no? Something like that, no, mga water sign. Maybe, bakit? Dahil iniisip mo pa rin yung future mo with that person, no? Maybe nag-iipon ka ng pera ngayon, that's why parang kaya pala lahat ng pentacles mo rin ay naka-reverse dahil nag-iipon ka ng pera, no? Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no? So, nag-iipon ka ng pera para sa future mo dito sa tao na ito, no? Dahil gusto mong makasal sa tao na ito, no? Meron kang mga plano, no? Something like that, no? So, kaya pala sobrang pag-iipon din ang ginagawa mo, no? Nagtitipid ka talaga ngayon, water sign, no? So, para dun sa taong mahal mo, no? Para siguro, once na alam mo nang kayang-kaya mo na siya, no? Kayang-kaya mo na kunin yung tao na mahal mo, no? Pagka stable ka na, no? So, yan, no? Parang ito yung nakikita ko rito, no? Water sign, no? So, talagang hinahanda mo din yung sarili mo. Siyempre, ayaw mo naman din siyang abalahin ng agad-agad ay kukunin mo siya doon. Tapos, hindi ka pa stable. So, kaya parang ngayon, nagfo-focus ka sa iyong financial, no? So, talagang sobrang pagtitipid ang ginagawa mo dito ng mga water sign, no? Dahil may goal kang gustong mangyari. Yung dreams mo ay, may goal ka no? Maraming opportunities, ang dami mo mga sideline, no? So, with this 8 of Pentacles here, no? So, kumbaga, ito yung mga ano mo, no? Mga ang dami mong sideline, no? Kumbaga, parang water sign, kung tutuusin is, 'di ba? Kung tutuusin dito, water sign, with this 8 of Pentacles, kung makikita mo, established ka na no? But then you are still feeling lack of something, no? Kaya parang ito ka pa rin, no? Gusto mo pa rin madagdagan tong mga, kung ano tong mga ipon mo, no? Talagang pinaghahandaan mo itong bagay na ito para dun sa taong mahal mo, no? Something like that, no? Kaya doble-doble yung ginagawa mong sipag, no? Parang di ka na nagpapahinga, no? Water sign. So, yeah, no? Tignan pa nga natin, what else, no? Water sign. So, parang buwis buhay ka rito. Yeah, no? Water sign, no? So, I don't know, no? Kung parang you are so determined, you are so, ano, no? Parang talagang anong-ano ka sa gagawin mo na to, no? Dahil sa pagmamahal mo dun sa tao na yun, no? Something like that, no? So, kahit nahihirapan ka na rito, 'di ba? Halos siguro parang dami mong sideline, no, water sign, para lang makaipon ka ng pera, no? Para makuha mo yung taong mahal mo, no? Something like that, no? So, napaka-sweet naman pala nito ni water sign. So, let's see what else, no? Sa sitwasyon mo ngayon, water sign, what else? Holy Spirit, universe, para sa sitwasyon ng mga water signs natin, right? No? Tignan natin, what else? Kuha tayo ng cards mo dito, water signs. So, what else? So, devil energy, Jezebel, spirit, narcissist. 'Di ba? Ito yun, no, kumbaga dito ka, ito yung blockage, no? So nahihirapan ka because may blockages, no? Merong talagang taong controlling, no? May Jezebel spirit, no? Which is, what is this Jezebel spirit, no? A person who is asexual, active, no? Something like that, no? So, no? Itong person na to with the devil energy, no? So, yeah, ito yung the emperor in reverse, no? So, ito siya. So, may devil energy tong emperor na to, no? So, ito yung blockages sa inyong dalawa, no? A narcissistic, with a Jezebel spirit na very sexually, active, no? Something like that, no? So, yan, no? Ito yung inyong nagiging blockage, no? Sa inyong dalawa ng person mo, right? So, what else? Para sa ating water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, equality, give and take, giving, helping, no? 'Di ba? Ito yung gusto mong i-offer doon sa tao na mahal mo, no? Water sign, no? Equality, give and take, giving. Gustong-gusto mo talagang tulungan itong tao na to, no? Na makaalis na doon sa sitwasyon niya, no? With that person who has a devil energy, right? So, what else? For the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, please, universe, what else? So, you have this, no? So, yan, no? Huwag kang mag-alala, no? Water sign, no? So, may confirmation dito, water sign. Lahat din ng paghihirap mo ngayon ay matatapos na din, no? Ano man itong mga pinaplano mo ay magiging makukomplete mo rin, no? Kumbaga, may completion na mangyayari dito at mangyayari din yung pangarap mong mangyari para sa inyong dalawa ng iyong person na manamahal mo, no? Something like that, no, mga water sign. So, dito nga, kuha tayo, parang ang ganda ng inyong story, no? Water sign, no? So, whoever is this, no, water sign, parang napaka, 'di ba? Napaka-intense ng inyong love story, no? Water sign. So, yeah, let's see water sign, no? Mga possible scenario pa na mga pwede pang mangyari, no? Mga possible, mangyayari, no? Tignan natin. I-shuffle ko lang yung cards nyo, water sign. No, eventually, alam mo, magiging successful ka daw, sabi ni universe, sa iyong mga plans, no? At magkakasama rin kayo ng tao na ito, no? So, kung ngayon nahihirapan kayo sa sitwasyon, matatapos din ito, no, right? No, water sign, no? So, talagang napakasipag mo ngayon, no? So, parang di ka siguro na natutulog, no, water sign. Ipon ka lang ng ipon ng pera, no, para sa kinabukasan nyo ng iyong person, right? So, let's see what else, please, universe, for the water signs. What else? Any messages pa? Ano pa pong possible na mangyayari in the near future for the water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, meron tayong plan. So, what is this? Remember, awakening, no? So, yan, no? in the near future, no, parang ire-reminisce nyo na lang talaga yung mga nangyari, no? So, maaalala nyo lahat-lahat. Or, maybe, kayo ito, no, water sign, if you do believe in a past life, no, something like that, maa-awaken kayo or yung person mo, no, once na-awaken ito, maaalala niya yung tungkol sa inyong dalawa, no, something like that, no. So remember, no, so may awakening dito, mga water sign, no. So once na na-awaken ang tao na ito na na mahal mo, ay maaalala niya yung past life memories ninyo. Excuse me, something like that, no? Yeah, no? Water sign, no? Parang may nagpipigil na sa akin magsalita, So, what else? What else para sa water sign? So, you have this strength, sun, empowerment. So, yan, no, mga water sign, no? So, you have this sun, no? Ang sun ay yung happiness, no? So, total happiness, no? Ito din yung magiging strength mo, no? Water sign, no? So, for some of you, no? So, kaya wag kang mawawalan ng pag-asa, no? Makakamit mo rin to, magiging successful din ikaw, no? Sa anuman itong ginagawa mo, no? What else, please? 'Di ba sabi ko sa iyo, no, reunion, no, and soul ties, no. So water sign, meron talaga kayong past life relationship nitong tao na ito, no. Kaya siguro ikaw ay sobrang naghahanda ka na rin para sa sarili mo, no. So talagang para ready ka na for commitment, no, sa tao na 'yon, no. So you are just no, kumbaga ay talagang yun nga, with the talagang todo ipon ka right now, no, something like that, no, para dun sa tao na yun, para once na ka na, settled ka na feel mo na eto ka na, stable ka na, there will be a reunion for the both of you, no. So kumbaga you are being guided dito ni universe, no. So kasi para talaga kayo sa isa't isa, no. You have this soul tie, no, together, no. So what else? So tingnan pa natin, water sign, please, universe. What else for the water sign? Close up, guarded, resistance, no. So yeah, no, right now siguro guarded both of you, no, ay lalo na yung person na yun na ay guarded pa, no, because may someone pa siya, no. And kaya ikaw nire-resist mo din para walang issue, no, something like that, no. But then behind that, ikaw nire-ready mo na din yung sarili mo, no. So you are focusing on your stability, no, para hindi ka din mapahiya or ready ka for commitment, because yun nga, no, pinaghahandaan mo talaga, no, kasi you have this faith na alam mo mangyayari to, no, kasi because of God you are being guided by the universe, right? So what else? Water sign, for the water signs, please. What else? So you have this air is so maybe water sign, no, you are dealing with air sign, no, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no. So maybe your person is an air sign, no. So yan, no, mga water sign, no. So maybe nga ito nga ang person na yun nga na you are dealing with is an earth sign, no, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no. So ito talaga, kumbaga, this person, ito yung pinaghahandaan mo, no. So parang you are taking all the risk, no, something like that, no. So para lang magkaroon ng pagbabalikan sa inyong dalawa nitong with this air sign, no, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, no, something like that, no, mga water sign, no. So yeah, what else? So meron pa pala dito, ano ito? So yeah, no, ito talaga, no, ito yung 'di ba, magkatabi siya. Etong earth sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, and together with the toxicity bound patterns, no? So yan, no? Ito nga talaga yung person na gusto mong kunin, kunin talaga, no? So yeah, this person is in a pattern, no? Repeatedly pattern, no? With her person, no? The one who has devil energy, no? Right? This air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is in toxicity right now, no? So nasa isang sitwasyon siya talaga where is very toxic, no? Something like that, no? That's why hindi siya makaalis-alis, no? Something like that, no? So mga water sign, no? So whoever is this, no? So kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, water sign, no? So yeah, yung person mo ay naka-stuck sa isang toxic relationship. That's why hindi mo talaga rin ngayon, hindi mo siya magawang tulungan, no? So parang ini-ignore mo tong tao na to, or both of you are ignoring each other, no? So but then behind that, ikaw pala ay ito ka, no? May mga plans ka, nag-iipon ka para sa future nito ng kadil mo, na which is an earth sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no? So yeah, kumbaga nagre-ready ka naman pala, no, with this with your person, right, no? So may mga plans ka, may mga plano ka para kunin tong tao na ito na mahal mo, no? Something like that, no? So yeah, so medyo yun nga, no, may blockages talaga, no? So very 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 intense yung inyong love story, no? Water sign, no? So what else para sa ating water signs, universe? So you have this memories, nostalgia, no? So yeah, no, talagang may mga memories kayo ng tao na ito, no, water sign, no, ng tao na ito, because you have this past life relationship, no, together, no. Maybe naaalala mo yung mga past life nyo, no, napupunta doon na sa memories mo. That's why itong tao na ito, hindi siya mawala sa isip mo. Kaya ngayon, mas malinaw na sa'yo na itong tao na ito ang iyong soulmate, no? Something like that, no? There is a soulmate connection between the two of you, no? With this air sign and you, water sign, no? There is a soulmate connection, right? So what else, please, para sa ating water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, please, universe, please, what else? So you have these messages, dreams, no? So yeah, no, because ano kayo, no, spiritually connected kayo ng tao na ito, no, water sign, no, because you have this soulmate connection, spiritually connected kayo sa dreams, no? Maybe napapanaginipan nyo ang isa't isa, and then nasasaktan kayo lalo, no? At lalo ka na, no, water sign, because napapanaginipan mo itong tao na ito, but then nasasaktan ka because right now wala kang magawa para tulungan siya, something like that, no? So kaya sobra kang nasasaktan dahil alam mong kailangan ka nung person mo, no? Something like that, but then hindi mo magawa, no? Right now wala kang magawa, no? Something like that, no? So even though na parang nag-uusap kayo sa dreams telepathically because you have this spiritual connection, but then masakit pa rin para sa'yo na nandoon siya sa tao na alam mong sinasaktan lang siya, no? Something like that, no? So sobra kang nasasaktan dito, no, water sign. So kuha na lang tayo, no? So yan, no, pinagpawisan ako sa inyo. Sobrang intense ng inyong love story, no? There is a past life connection sa inyo ng tao na ito, no? Water sign, this person who is an air sign, no? So strongly air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no? So you have this past life connection with this person, no? With this air sign. So strongly past life connection, spiritual connection with this person, no? You have this soulmate connection with this person, no? So napaka-intense, no? Napakalalim ng inyong connection, no? So parang lahat ng paghihirap, lahat ng struggle pinagdadaanan nyo, no? Because that's the way, no? Para magtagpo kayo ulit, no? Kailangan nyo talagang dumaan. Because maybe sa past life nyo, hindi kayo naging successful together, no? That's why nag-decide kayo to reincarnate, no? Something like that, no? So, and now, eto pa rin yung struggle, no? Kailangan nyo siyang malagpasan, both of you. Lahat ng struggle, kailangan nyo malagpasan for you to meet at the end, no? Something like that, no? So, wala namang age dito, no? Kahit sabihin nating matanda na kayo, kung kayo ay kayo, no? Magtatagpo at magtatagpo pa rin kayo eventually, no? Something like that, no, mga water signs. So, yeah. So, tignan naman natin anong message or advice for you ni universe, no, water sign. So, sobrang sipag mo lang talaga, no? Nakakahanga yung ginagawa mo, water sign, no? I don't know kung alam ng person mo yung mga ginagawa mo behind the scenes, no? Something like that, no? So, talagang todo ka, no? Kumbaga, ikaw yung nag-wish, eh. Ikaw tong nag-wish na sana sa next life nyo, magtagpo kayo ulit para in the end, magsama na kayo, no? Kaya lahat ng paghihirap, ginawa mo rin, nalagpasan mo, no? Water sign. So, nakakahanga rin, no? Parang sobrang both of you, no? So, parang hirap na hirap kayo. Whatever situation you have right now, no? So, yeah. So, kuha tayo dito ng message or advice for you ni universe, water sign. Message or advice for you ni universe, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, you have this, no, carnivorous flower fairy, no? So, a tempting offer has a high price, di ba? So, kailangan mo talaga ng matinding pasensya dito. Sobrang grabing struggle talaga, no? So, kumbaga, sinasabi dito ni universe, walang madali, di ba? Kapag may gusto kang bagay, walang madali. Kailangan mong paghirapan para makuha mo ito. So, alam mo naman yun, water sign, no? That's why you are working so hard para sa person na mahal mo, no? Something like that, no? So yun na, kumbaga, parang nakikita ko dito is, continue mo lang, no? Ano man itong ginagawa mo, working hard to fulfill, right? No, so sinasabi sa iyo dito ni universe na even though na napakaraming temptation around you, still nakafocus ka dun sa pinangako mo sa tao from the past, no? Maybe meron kang pinangako sa inyong past life kasi nga hindi kayo nagtagpo, hindi kayo nagkatuluyan at the end. And then nangako ka na in this lifetime na hahanapin mo siya, at once nahanap mo na siya, you will work hard para makuha mo siya at maibigay lahat-lahat ng dapat lang ibigay para sa kanya, no? Maybe sa past din ay may nagawa ka ring kasalanan sa person na ito, right? That's why you are working so hard in this lifetime para makabawi ka doon sa taong mahal mo, no? So, pinagbigyan ka dito ni universe, no? There are temptation around you, pero nakikita ni universe na nakafocus ka talaga dun sa pangako mo from your past life, no? Nakafocus ka sa goal mo, nakafocus ka dun sa tao na mahal mo, no? So, kahit anong temptation yung nangyari, hindi mo siya pinatulan, no? Something like that, because nakafocus ka talaga dun sa pangako mo sa past, no? Something like that. So, napaproud sa'yo si universe. You are really this very determined, no, water sign. So, napakaganda ng love story nyo, no, water sign. Kakaiba, no. So, ang ganda ng reading natin today for you, water sign. So, yeah. Ah, I am so overwhelmed with your love story, no? So, napakaganda. So, again, good luck sa'yo, water sign, no? Alam kong kayang-kaya mo yan. Marami na kayong pinagdaanan ng person mo, and I'm sure at the end, kayo at kayo pa rin ang magtatagpo, no? So, yeah, I'm happy for the both of you, water sign. So, God bless you all, water sign, and thank you for watching, water signs.